Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Okay guys, so we just we're on our way to the airport to go back to Atlanta, and we actually saw a couple farms on the exits, like on the highway, to go to the airport because we drove from Dallas to San Antonio, and now we're driving back to Dallas where our flight's taking off. So then we saw a farm in the middle, and so yeah, this really nice guy, I forgot his name, but he's the director of this entire farm project. He actually let us, he actually gonna give us a tour. I don't really want to record the tour, so that's like a little rude, but I took a lot of I'm gonna take videos inside and take pictures inside, and I'll just kind of put together a voiceover and give it to you guys. But yeah, so I'll just show you guys the outside facility right now before we go inside. Facility, our car's parked over there. This is the outside facility. They're going a lot of stuff inside there. Can't wait to go see that. As you can see over here, there's like 35 acres, 40 acres of just straight up corn right there. I don't know if you guys see that right there, just all corn. Straight 35 acres of corn. And just this huge building. In Texas, it's so hot, so hopefully there's AC inside here. But yeah. It's a big truck. I think they transport everything in there. So yeah. We're gonna go inside, and yeah, I'll take you guys inside. Alright guys, so we went into the farm. It was so nice to go inside the AC, especially in the Texas weather. He took us into the farm. He first showed us the seeding, how they make the seeds sprout, and then he took us into the main factory, which was their lettuce factory. They mainly grow lettuce here. Butter lettuce is what he said it was called. The tour guide was super nice, and we just saw this farm and we stopped on the road, and he was just like, yeah, sure, come on in, we'll give you guys a tour. So he gave us the tour, and by the way, this is all hydroponics, meaning there's no soil, so there's no way any diseases can come in. If you guys didn't know, E. coli comes from fertilizer, and they don't use fertilizer or soil, hence the name hydroponics, which means it's just water. And they save almost 15 gallons per head of lettuce by recycling and reusing the water, because they don't need fertilizer, they don't need to spend that money. So they save almost 15 gallons of water, which is a lot of water per head of lettuce. And if you guys see in these videos and pictures, there are so much lettuce. And not only lettuce, they also make kale. They also said they made basil, lemon basil, and they also said they made baby bok choy and so much more. Not only that, outside they grew acres and acres and acres of corn, beyond eyesight of corn. There was so much corn there. It was amazing to see. And it was all sprouted, and there was just a machine just going through there picking all the corn. It was so nice to see. All in all, this was a great experience.